Here in the pit area in Canandaigua. First group of sportsmen are just getting ready to come up for hot laps. Hello ladies, how we doing? And let's catch some guys as they get in their cars. There's Justin Wright. Say hi, Justin.
Hi.
Jack Later signing an autograph. How cool is that, right?
Yeah.
Does that still get you going, signing autographs?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I drove for a year. I got to do an autograph night. Best night of my life, signing autographs. It's very cool. You good? Ready to have some fun, Jack?
Hell yeah.
Go get him.
Let's do it.
Jimmy Phelps just signed an autograph as well. How's Jimmy today?
Good.
Go-kart show tomorrow, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Very cool.
Yep.
Ready for everything coming up?
Yeah, I think so. It's an exciting time of year, and you know, I think our equipment's in line, and we just gotta hopefully get on a little roll here and try to make something happen.
Good job. Congratulations on the championship, man.
Thank you.
Remember, they run Wednesday of Super Dirt Week as well, as usual. Let's just get whoever we can get here. Tim Lappler is in his Sportsman. Actually, get rid of that filter. Corey Stoupinger. Sportsmen are getting ready. Hey, what's up? Yeah, they'll be heading out in just a moment. There's Kevin Ridley. What's going on, man? Let's see who else we can get. One of the bigger stories here. Steve Payne just loves being on camera, don't you, Steve?
I know, it's my favorite thing.
What's that?
It's my favorite thing.
I had a feeling it was. How was the big block first time out with it?
Alright.
It was all right?
It was,
Okay.
It was as good as what we quit with 2 years ago.
Nice. Has to be fun to be back here in Canandaigua.
It's good, yeah.
Congratulations on the track championship, man. Steve Payne, a lot of folks root for him. Sit out here. McNary, your track champ. There he is. Peter, how we doing, sir? Excellent. Pepsi after the night, right?
Yeah.
We'll anoint the car in Pepsi again, right?
Yes, definitely.
Good to see you, man. Zach Sabaka, your Brewerton champ. We'll go out and see it here for just a moment. See if we can catch over here. What's going on, Justin? How we doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Look for him. He'll be up on the page this week. So will Matt Williamson. How we doing, Matt?
Good.
Ready to get in?
Ready to go.
I love this time of the race, don't you?
No, I just want to get out there.
Really? You don't like this time? I always
No.
like this time.
Wait
Okay.
around.
All
I feel
right.
like I'm asphalt racing.
Okay, so hurry up and go, right?
Hurry up and wait.
Have fun, man.
Thank you.
That's true. I'm not racing, so if you're racing, you want to get the heck out there. You do not want to be waiting around. You want to go. Camera shooting video of someone with the camera. I got it there too. There's said, I didn't even get you on camera. If you don't want to be, do you? You would kill me if I turned around and got you?
Yeah.
All right, all right. There's Mike. Thanks for your service, sir. Crew chief and pro